Is your Windows computer running slower than usual? Microsoft PC Manager includes built-in tools that can free up memory, remove unnecessary files, and optimize your system to help improve performance. In this guide, I'll show you how to boost PC performance with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once it opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several optimization tools. Click the PC Boost button to instantly clear temporary files and free up system memory. This is one of the quickest ways to improve your computer's responsiveness, especially if you've been running multiple programs. Next, open the Health Check section and start a system scan. The scan looks for junk files, unnecessary startup programs, browser-related items, and other areas that can affect performance. Review the results and apply the recommended fixes if you're comfortable doing so. Now go to Storage Management. You can delete temporary files, clean the recycle bin, locate large files, and remove unnecessary data that's taking up valuable disk space. Open the Startup Apps section and review the programs that launch automatically when Windows starts. Disable apps you don't need immediately after startup to help reduce boot time and improve overall performance. For the best results, run PC Boost and Health Check regularly, especially after installing new software or if your computer starts feeling slow. Routine maintenance can help keep your Windows system running efficiently over time, and that's how to boost PC performance with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. By regularly cleaning up your system, freeing storage space, and managing startup apps, you can help keep your Windows PC fast and responsive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.